We're here at the OSAAP Palnet kitting area, and we got a new toolbox from Champion, fully foamed out with Palnac's tools and OSAAP's foam. We're partnering with Champion toolboxes. They're made in the US, very high quality, really nice boxes. Tools on every layer. The numbers are called out. All the text is included on the foam. Everything's organized by tool. The customer requested a mobile toolkit within the toolbox, so we spec'd a hard case and we're able to put everything they needed in a toolkit. So this is their mobile toolkit for their mobile toolbox.